Guys, I wanted to show you this rose. It's growing in our garden out the front of the nursery. It's blushing pink iceberg. It's a floribunda rose, which means it gets bunches of flowers instead of long single stems, bunches. It's great for hedging. It's a disease-resistant rose. It has hardly any thorns compared to normal roses. It has lush green foliage, super healthy. It gets covered in flowers. This rose was pruned about 6 weeks ago. It's gonna get the most amazing flowers on it right through winter. When roses should be asleep, this rose is still blooming. So it's the blushing pink iceberg rose. Have a look at the beautiful buds. We've got them in the nursery today. Come and check them out. This has got to be one of the best roses and one of the easiest disease resistant roses to grow. Check it out.